What does it mean to go viral? Because a lot of people want to go viral. Many people, in short, every single person on social media, right, want to go viral. But most people don't even understand what it means to have gone viral. So what exactly does it mean to have gone viral? Is it that you need to have maybe 1 million views before you know you've gone viral? Or maybe you need to have 10 million views, 100 million views, or you need to have 1 million subscribers, 1 billion views, or maybe just 1 view? What exactly does it mean to have gone viral? There's no particular number of views that will tell you that, oh, your content have gone viral. And so stop looking at big creators that have been established and then they're having millions of views and then you compare yourself with them. No, you have to compare yourself with your present self. And if you put all other core elements we'll talk about right in this lesson together in one content, you have a high chance of your content going viral. Most people don't even understand what it means to have gone viral. So what exactly does it mean to have gone viral? Is it that you need to have maybe 1 million views before you know you've gone viral? Or maybe you need to have 10 million views, 100 million views, or you need to have 1 million subscribers, or you need to have 1 billion views, or maybe just 1 view? What exactly does it mean to have gone viral? So you have to understand this. If not, right, you just end up wasting your time and then being emotionally drained, right, and mentally drained because you don't even know if whether your content have gone viral or not. And so there is no particular definition to virality. Like there's no particular metrics, right, to virality. And what I'm trying to explain is there's no particular number of views that will tell you that, oh, your content have gone viral. None, right? So stop looking at 1 million views or 10 million views or stuffs like that for you to feel like I have gone viral. And so you need to understand your stage, this current stage you are in as a content creator, for you to know if your contents are going viral or not. So for an example, if you are a content creator that maybe you are just a beginner, you're starting, and you have anything from like 0 followers to maybe 100 followers, right? And then when you post your normal content, right, on the norms, when you make your post, you have like, let's say you have like 100 views to like 300 views on your content, or maybe lesser than that, right? But highest, you do have like 100 views on an average. You have like 100 views to like 300 views, right? Maybe, and then you have like 0 followers to like 1,000 followers. That is the normal kind of views you do have. When you have a content, right, that pulls in more views, maybe it pulls in views like 1,000 views, when on the norms your views is always within 100 to 300, and then you post a content that have 1,000 views, it means that particular content have gone viral. It means that it has reached out to people beyond your audience, beyond your normal views, right, beyond your normal kind of reach. And so that is what it means to have gone viral. And so stop looking at big creators that have been established and all that, and then they're having millions of views, and then you compare yourself with them. No, you have to compare yourself with your present self. How many views do I have on an average? Oh, I used to, when I make a post, I used to have like 1,000 views, and then you make a post, another post, and you have 10,000 views. On the norms, you used to have 1,000 views to maybe 2,000 views, and then you post today and you have 10,000 views. It shows that particular content have gone viral. So for you to understand if your contents are going viral, you have to understand your average views. How many views are you getting right now? Or maybe if you're a big creator and then normally your contents, right, used to have on an average 1 million views, and then you post, right, and your content has like 10 million views, that shows that particular content have gone viral. If your average views used to be 1 million, it doesn't mean that you're going viral. That's just your average views. And then you post, and then it goes beyond the normal views you used to have, right? And it reaches like maybe 5, 10, or even 100 times beyond your normal views you used to get. It shows that particular content have gone viral. You need to understand this so you don't keep struggling and looking at a kind of goal that is unachievable at the current stage that you are in at the moment, right? And so you have to understand the number of views you get on the norms, And then when you get beyond that, like maybe 5 or even 3 times or 10 times more of what you used to get on an average, it shows that you've gone viral. I'm sure you understand this, right? Because if you don't understand this concept, right, then you are just wasting your time on this particular course, because you need to understand, for you to know what you are measuring, what exactly you are measuring, right? You have to be realistic with what you are measuring. Don't be looking at a million views when you just have like maybe few followers right now, or few subscribers on your channel, or maybe be looking at tens of thousands of views for you to feel like you've gone viral, when normally you do have 30 views, and then you make a post and that post have 300 views and you feel like it is still normal. No, it's not normal. You used to have 30 or 40 views. Right now you have 300 views. That shows that this particular content has gone beyond the normal views you used to have. That is what it means to have gone viral. So this will actually help you, right, in focusing on realistic results when you are watching, to know, to understand what is working and what's not working. MrDavzia here. Catch you in the next lesson where we'll talk about the psychology, right, of people. If you want to really go viral, you have to understand how people think and how people behave. That's what we're talking about in the next lesson. Ready to crack the code to going viral? Enroll in my Skillzonia Originals course and discover actionable strategies to consistently create content that grabs attention and dominates platforms like YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and more. Learn how to leverage trends, audience psychology, and engagement hacks to make your content go viral. Plus, join a private creator community and gain direct access to me for even more insights. Click the link below to start going viral today. Go viral now. Enrollment link in the description or pinned comment down below.